Kasi inip niya ako nakikita niyo. Ayan. Depends sa amin. Pangalali lang ito, ha? Ha? Tapos ako ito madiretso ka. Ano? Ha? Galing. At kaya. Sige. Ano? Ayan. Ano nga? Sige. Ano lang ako mo? Sige.
Detention cells. I've never been there, but supposedly they were decommissioned after the Europa. Did somebody have a job there? You're gonna think the CIA came after your kid because of some sort of conspiracy. I just want stuff.
What do you know about search?
Why?
None of it does this, so
He's just a dumb jogger. And wanted me to crash the system once because he played an online game in Blackrock
where is his office?
on the second floor. In this building here. We had a big all along. I'll have to explain how you got my card. Where?
How does it?
Okay.
It's gonna look like you put up a fierce fight.
What do you?
What do you think Donovan had to do with Josh's disappearance?
Ay, thank you Lord. So guys, ito yung great walk ni Kuya for our 16 days. So dati hindi naman nagagawa ito. So nakakatawa po siya konti-konti. So just a little more practice and a little more exercises para mas may improve po yung kanyang lower limb. Hanggang sa muli po, ito po yung activity therapy ni Kuya Renato Gonzalez. Dito po tayo sa Escarial, Mabalacat, Pampanga. Hanggang sa muli po. Yeah, siyempre, shoutout tayo sa mga anak ni Kuya Renato, sponsor ng therapy nito. Yan sa inyo. Maraming salamat. And sa lahat ng mga Gonzales ka lang dyan, shoutout. God bless guys.